What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alya if you are new here. In today's video, as you can probably tell by the title, we are going to be doing a chocolate eyeliner cat eye look. Wow, that was a mouthful. I'm super obsessed with this look. I feel like it's perfect for every day, but it could easily be a night out on the town look as well. And you know your girl loves a night on the town. With that being said, before we get into it, if you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. It is completely free. And if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later, but I hope you won't. And of course, don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you never miss one of my uploads. Now without further ado, let's get right on into it. So the first thing I am going to do for this look is prime my face, of course, and I am using Becca Cosmetics Backlight Priming Filter, and this is just an illuminating primer, which I feel like is really good for those days when your skin is just looking really dull and dry. Love to use this one. It's one of my favorites. A little on the pricey side, but worth it. Girls with bangs, how do you do your makeup? You probably clip them out of your face. Yeah, I probably should have thought of that, but obviously I'm dumb and I didn't. So, next I am using my favorite BB cream, and that is by NYX in the shade 2. And I love this just because it's really moisturizing and looks really natural and feels very lightweight. It is so windy out today, and there's car alarms going off, and it sounds like a bloody hurricane outside, so I'm sorry if it's super loud. Sorry for all the wind, you guys. Like, it's like ridiculously loud out there. I don't know what the dealio is. And for concealer, I'm just using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, which I always use, and that is in the color Fair. Oh, good. In the hair.
I have crippling depression.
So that wasn't working, so I pulled the bangs back, so now I look arguably more attractive than I ever have in my life. Time to contour, and I'm just using the Fenty Beauty contour stick in the shade Mocha. Contouring the rest of my face with the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, and this is the powder one. Now we are ready for some blush. Just taking the L'Oreal Le Blush, and the shade has worn off, but it looks like this. And I love this color. It's like a nice peachy type of coral color. I use it year round. Well, that will just have to bloody do, won't it? Yeah, it's terrible, I know. I get it, I'm not funny. I know I'm not. I'm not. We have a visitor. Oh, say hello to the camera. Oh, my babies. Mommy loves you, even though you're a little two chunkies. Yeah. Okay, moving on to the fun stuff. Eyes. Just using a really light shade as a base for the liner. Any light shade will do. Can you tell I'm terrible with makeup videos? But my holiday poll, you guys said that you wanted to see more makeup tutorials, so here we are. Are you regretting it yet? Then I'm just going to take some of the Stella. Then I'm just going to take some of the bronzer from my contour kit and put that in the crease of my eye. Horrendous. Love that for me. Moving right along. I am going to be using the Everlasting Lip Crayon in the color Crucifix by Kat Von D. And I know what you're thinking, that's a lip pencil, Alya. Well, today, it's an eye pencil. And I've seen other people do it, so I know it's okay to use. Don't take my word for it. So I'm just gonna be taking this liner and lining the whole top lid and dragging it out to make a cat eye. So you'll end up with something like this. And if it's not perfect, don't worry about it because we are going to smudge it out. And then you are just going to bring it along the under part of your eye. I realize it looks a little crazy right now, but we are going to take a brush and just blend it right out. So once you've smoked that eyeliner out to the way that you would like it, go ahead and just take a brown shade of eyeshadow that looks similar to the eyeliner and just go right over that. Sorry about that, guys. The bloody camera died. Didn't really miss much though. All I did was I put a darker brown eyeliner on my waterline and mascara. And now let's move on to lips. So for lips, I am using this NYX lip liner in the shade Ever. Then I am going in with this Wet n Wild Mega Last lipstick in the color Sandstorm. And then last but not least, I am going to just be putting a lip gloss over that, and that is a Milani lip gloss in the shade Rosy Blonde.
It just ain't fair. You know I can't fight it. Wanna put my hands all over your body.
That is it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this eye look. Give this video a thumbs up on the way out if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching.